up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my hair is in 4 sections, and if you see in the title, I will be performing a wash and go today. For the products that I'm going to use today, I picked up this Eco Natural Cocktail and Superfruit Curl Complex from the beauty supply store. I got the small one because I didn't really know how I felt about getting the big one, and I don't know if it worked or not. I got mixed reviews on these. I asked people about the product. They said it gave them flakes and stuff like that, so we're going to see how it does for me. But before I put that on, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner, just add in a little moisture, because I don't really know if this is going to be like a hard type of hold on the hair, because it says it's a cocktail, so it's probably what, gel and cream mixed together. I don't know. So I'm going to use the Camille Rose Latte Define from the leave-in collection, and if all else fails, then I'm just going to go in with the Red Top Eco, which is the argan oil one, if I'm not getting enough hold. So we're just going to get started. I'm going to moisturize each section with the leave-in first, and then I'm going to go back around and start doing the wash and go. I've said this once before, but for the people who are like kind of unsure about using certain products together, I do recommend that you do like a little mini test in the beginning, which I did, and I'll do it again for you guys on camera. But if my hair comes out whack, like, somebody is lying. Somebody got an ingredient in there that they didn't put on the bottle, because when you do this test and it doesn't clump or anything like that, you're good to use the products together. So you take whatever products you're going to use, put them on the back of your hand. So I put the gel and I put the leave-in, or the cocktail, whatever you want to call it. And you literally just mix them together. Rub them together. If they don't get clumpy, you're good. Now, because mine is not clumpy, it's smooth, as you guys can see, kind of like a lotion. It's not really like rubbing in, so it is a little bit on the thicker side, like it's not going clear, which means that I'm probably gonna have like a super white cast on my hair before my hair completely dries. But as you guys can see, there's no clump, so these products should work wonderful together, but we shall see. So I'm gonna start on this back section here, and like I said, I already put the leave-in in, and my hair dries up so quick. Just bring some more water on there, and I'm just gonna pick up some of the cocktail, and I like to start from the ends when I'm doing my hair. So I'm starting from the ends, bringing it up, running it through. It's smoothing my hair out, so that's a good thing. It is clumping my curls together. So I think I'm going to attempt the Shingle Method, just because I haven't done that in forever. And I really would like a bomb wash and go. So if I'm not mistaken, the Shingle Method is basically smoothing the hair out and then twirling the end of each piece wherever your hair decides it wants to separate. This is the first section, and as you guys can see, the ends are definitely shingled, but the roots are not giving me what I need. But because I know I'm gonna stretch the back to like its full capacity, because I like the back of my hair to be super stretched, I feel like it's not that big of a deal. But I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the regular Eco, the argan oil, and I did not test these out together, so let me mix these on my hand. And from my hand test, we're good. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and clump everything back together. So technically, because I'm putting some Eco on there, is this still a one product wash and go, or would you guys call this a wash and go with just eco styling products. Let me know. I think I like that better, so I'm gonna do that. And y'all just watch me work, to be honest. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so I am back. I am fully finished, and I tried to not make a part, and I kind of have like a middle part, but I did like half of the front sections going forward and half from going back. Hopefully it'll dry to where I can just pick it and I won't have a part. That was the goal, but we'll see what happens here. But I know you guys can see that my hair looks like super duper defined. Even like my front parts that just do whatever they want to do. We ain't even gonna talk about those. They just always been looser or more loose than the rest of my hair. No matter if I big chop, mini chop, got a curly cut it all down, it still grows back the same. So side note, I am trying to make body changes to see if that'll help with my curl texture, because I know different medicines and stuff like that do change your curl pattern. So in my case, I don't know which one it is, so I'm just gonna stop them all. That's a story for another day. I might update you guys on that, but I am going to let my hair dry and we're gonna see how this turns out. So I am back. My hair is probably about, I don't know, maybe 80% dry. Really the back is still wet, but the top and the front are pretty dry. My roots are dry though. Shrinkage is real, but the shingling method, okay, that might be the one. So I'm going to stretch my hair out using my blow dryer, and I have the Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro dryer. So I'm going to use this to stretch my hair, fluff, and then we're going to see the final results. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and let me say I am in love. So this may be my new go-to wash and go combo because this looks great to me. Like, let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see. Even like my front more loose textures are like super defined, and like right here you guys can see how much my hair texture has changed over time, and that my curl texture is still there regardless of the color. And that's really what happens when you get a good color job. When you get a good color job, you don't have to worry about losing your curl texture. And like I said, I'm really like I can't even stop touching it. I know that this wash and go is not gonna last me as long as I wanted to because I'm gonna have my fingers in it like crazy. And for this part, I didn't even like make a part with a comb or anything like that. I just flipped it over, so I can flip it over and find the middle part, and I would just have to fluff it to the middle. And same thing with this side, I can just flip it wherever I want it to be, which I love. I love wash and goes without a part. That's why when I got towards the end, well, the front, I kind of like pulled my hair down because I can easily just flip it wherever I want it to be. And definitely stretching it in sections and fluffing in sections helped a lot with keeping the actual definition and stuff like that, but I still have a stretch. But I want to say that I didn't have a lot of shrinkage when it came to the cocktail fruit pursuit curl. Oh my gosh, is that a tongue twister? Cocktail super fruit curl complex. Because like when you guys seen before I got on when I first got on camera, my hair was still elongated. It was just, it looked like thin rather, and all I had to do was put some oil on there and fluff it. So really I didn't even lose any type of length when it came to the product. It was just, it had my hair like super duper defined to where it looked like I had 3 strands of hair. But I keep on touching this, and I'm about to do my makeup because I was doing the wipe it down challenge. If I remember, I'll put it at the end of this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, let me tell you guys what I used just in case you missed it. I used the Camille Rose Latte Define leave-in conditioner, and then I used the Eco Natural Cocktail Superfruit Curl Complex, and then I followed up with the Argan Oil Eco Styler. So these are the only 3 products that are in my hair right now. But for the actual wash and go, it was really just the 2 Eco Stylers. So this is just a straight Eco Styler wash and go, and it's the best wash and go I've had in a very long time, and also the first wash and go on my color treated hair. So it's really exciting because I didn't know how it was gonna look. I was nervous because like I said, I heard mixed reviews about this product, but from me, baby, it gets a 9 out of 10. I'm rocking with it. Let me know what y'all think about these results. But yeah, comment below some hairstyle that you guys want to see me try next. Like I'm gonna be trying to do, not redo, but try my favorite styles on my new color treated hair, just because I want to see what it looks like. You know, you be hyped when you get a new color. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.